What is up, peoples? I'm the Motorcycle Mick, and today we are talking about the 3 reasons why I ride. I know it seems a little weird that I'm filming this like this right now, but I am testing out my new iPhone 11's camera. It shoots 4K on the front and back. This is actually the front-facing camera, so I can see myself, and it kind of makes videoing a little bit easier, and I can edit on the go. So I'm testing that out right now, so I want to let you guys let me know how you like it and how it works. Also, too, if you're new to the channel or watching for a very long time, if you do like my content, hit that subscribe button down below. I upload new videos every Tuesday around 3 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, and I do a live stream every Thursday at 6:30, so jump in on that conversation. But like I said, make sure you're subscribed and hit that bell icon to be notified when I go live for those live streams, and I might do other videos throughout the week, just short videos now that I have this access to this platform. But we are talking about the 3 reasons why I ride. I was challenged to this by Prairie Boy 77. Go check him out. And I think at one time probably Scouts Adventures. I'm 99% sure at some time. I get so busy with everything I'm doing with all my other content. Like, you know, I love these challenge videos, but it's super hard. And realize I don't need my bike to make this. So I want to make it super fun and I guess kind of open up to you guys really about why I ride. The first reason why I ride is because it's fun and relaxing, and it's my ultimate stress reliever. I know that sounds like very generic and very like motorcycle guy-ish, but it really is. It's a way to relieve my stress. It's a way to get everything out of my mind for the day, come down from a long day at work, be excited for a weekend, go out and experience stuff that I wouldn't normally do if I was in a car. And I absolutely love that feeling. I get rid of all my stress, all my anger, all my pent-up energy just by hitting the throttle once, and it's super relaxing and comfortable. And I can't even tell you guys how it makes me feel, and like the stress relief that it is. It's not like there's any control. I know there is control, you're riding the bike, but the feeling of like, you know, you're teetering on 2 wheels versus feeling the comfort and forward really makes it a different experience than what it would be like for being in a car, or going fast in a car, or going slow in a car, going through a storm in a car. Being able to feel everything and really get my mind clear of everything that's been holding me back is the ultimate reason I love riding my motorcycle, or I guess loving riding bikes in general. The second reason I love riding in general, I guess we're gonna go with in general because I don't want to be specific to my bike. I want to be like very broad about why I love riding, no matter what it is. Because if someone's experiencing wanting to ride something and they don't like what I'm saying, like, this is my personal opinions. I want to be very clear about this. This is my 3 reasons why I ride. I know it's in the title and everything, but the second reason why I like riding is for the experience. The experience is something that can't be touched by anything. I mean, you are on 2 wheels, but literally, instead of smelling stuff coming through your air vents or you're traveling too fast, you can smell every restaurant, every type of food, if there's cakes being made, anything like that on your motorcycle. And as a person that loves food, I love being able to smell all that and kind of follow my nose like Toucan Sam to be able to find good food. Plus, along with that is you get to experience the elements in a different way. I know that sounds weird, and I know that might be scary for some people, but going back to the adrenaline feeling is you get to experience like thunderstorms in a different way, because you could be either running from them or going towards them, but you get to see lightning out and about, and it's not like you just feel that comfort of being in a vehicle, like rain, wind, thunder, lightning. It's all just out in the open to you. It's right there for your experience. You feel the rain, the misting, everything, and it's just like nothing else you could really feel. I mean, there's so many times I've stopped to get something to eat at places because I smelt it. Like, literally, you could smell how good the food was they were cooking, and go in and try it, and it's amazing. Along with that experience, too, is the experience of being around with people you care about and the people you love, like being able to ride with them. That is something I feel like people miss heavily a lot, is that you would need to be part of a big group to feel like you're part of something, but really all you need is a core riding group that's going to stick with you through thick and thin. That's all you need. And to be able to experience that experience with them, it takes away from just being you riding by yourself. Don't be wrong, I have times I love riding by myself, but that experience that you get from riding with other people and them having like helmets and Sennas and being able to talk to each other, because there are half helmet Sennas, there's full face Sennas, there's attach the comms to your 3/4 helmet Senna, like there's everything. And being able to like share that experience with somebody else and being able to talk to everyone about that, and or like figure out where you want to eat or talk about what you see, all the shenanigans that go on, that experience itself adds to the reasons I love riding. Because let alone just the food and stuff like that and the environment around you, it's also your friends and family you ride with that are going to really help enhance your riding ability and your riding experience. And I love that. I love being able to have both aspects of that, of being able to have people to ride with that are super fun, super energetic, and are going to have fun talking while riding versus just sitting there quietly trying to look cool. And the third reason I love riding my motorcycle, and this is probably absolutely the most, is because Mrs. Mick, or Miss Mick right now, I guess up until Thursday, loves riding motorcycles. The first time I got her on a bike, she was deathly afraid. It was the Sportster, which I'm already taking most of the suspension travel on. But I got her onto the Sportster. We went down to like a barbecue place and picked up some food or got some food and came back. But, you know, she got hooked at that. It was one of the things that hooked her, and she's like, we got to get a bigger bike. We got to do this to ride together. That's why I love the Heritage. It's super comfy and super effective, and it's easy for her to get on and off of. And it's just awesome to spend that time with her. I mean, I'm getting married to her in 2 days, and being able to spend more time with her on the bike and share that experience like I talked about previously with her, that's the ultimate thing. I got her helmet, I got her Senna. We can talk to each other, we can laugh, we can giggle. If she's hungry, if her butt's getting tired, we can talk and enjoy the fun and like be able to spend time together. Like there's nothing better than feeling her grab onto my waist and just hold on tight. I mean, the level of happiness I feel and the closeness is just above anything else. I love riding because I get to spend time with Ashley. That's her name, Ashley. I get to spend time with Ashley, Miss Mick, and be able to experience everything around me with her and be able to talk to her about it and get home and like, she understands now why I was so tired when I got home riding, because like you go out and you just start going everywhere, and to be able to have that experience with her is nothing. I would sell everything else to be able to keep that experience with her. I love her very much, and that's the third reason why I love riding, is because I get to share my experiences with Mrs. Mick and like create stories for our future kids and everything. But for now, that's all I got. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and hit that bell icon to be notified when I upload my videos. The format will be back to kind of normal next week. If you guys like this format, though, let me know. I mean, I can film on the go and edit stuff really fast versus sitting down and editing for 4 hours. So let me know what you think. And as always, I hope you have a great day, evening, night, morning, afternoon tea, brunch, lunch, nightcap, midnight snack, crumpet, McGriddle, bacon sandwich. And remember to always ride for freedom. I also challenge Wigsley and Johnny Roblox. Get your ass on this challenge. Goodbye.
Lost inside of my mind, I'm facing my demons, feeling self-destructive like all the fucking time.